Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 1,163 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with windshield trim and a luggage rack. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin engine, the TRIGLIDE puts 90 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 6-gallon fuel tank and a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 28.9 inch seat height and a 1,204 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and both rear tires are at 1030 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There are paint chips on the rear fender. This trike has an owner's manual, 1 key, and 1 fob. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.